In the world of project management, data is king. We constantly collect information on tasks, deadlines, resources, and budgets. But raw data, presented in endless rows and columns, can be overwhelming and difficult to interpret. This is where data visualization, specifically charts, becomes invaluable. Charts transform complex numbers into easily digestible visual stories, helping project managers and stakeholders quickly grasp project health, identify trends, and make informed decisions. So, for those leveraging Smartsheet, a popular work management platform, a critical question arises. Can you make charts in Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I can confidently state that yes, you absolutely can make charts in Smartsheet. While Smartsheet isn't a dedicated business intelligence (BI) tool like Tableau or Power BI, it offers robust charting capabilities, primarily through its dashboards feature and, more recently, through its work insights and AI tools. These capabilities empower users to visualize data directly from their sheets and reports, making it easier to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and communicate project status effectively. The power of Smartsheet dashboards for charting. The primary way to create and display charts in Smartsheet is through dashboards. Dashboards are customizable, interactive summary views that allow you to bring together various pieces of information from your sheets, reports, and other sources into a single, comprehensive display. Charts are a key component of these dashboards. Here's how it generally works. Data source. Your charts in Smartsheet are powered by data from your sheets or reports. Sheets. This is your raw data. You'll typically have columns for categories, e.g., status, assigned to, priority, and numerical values, e.g., percent complete, budget, hours spent. Reports. Reports are particularly powerful for charting because they allow you to consolidate and filter data from multiple sheets into a single view. For instance, you could create a report that pulls all high-priority tasks across all your active projects, and then chart that aggregated data. This is crucial for portfolio-level visibility. Chart widgets. On a Smartsheet dashboard, charts are added as chart widgets. These are configurable elements that you can drag, drop, and resize to fit your dashboard layout. Chart types. Smartsheet offers a variety of common chart types to suit different data visualization needs. Column charts. Great for comparing values across different categories, e.g., tasks completed by each team member. Bar charts. Similar to column charts but with horizontal bars, often used when category labels are long. Line charts. Ideal for showing trends over time, e.g., project progress over weeks, budget burn rate. Pie charts/donut charts. Used to show proportions of a whole, e.g., percentage of tasks by status. Stacked column/bar charts. Useful for showing composition within categories, e.g., tasks by status within each phase. Configuration and customization. Once you select your data source and chart type, Smartsheet provides options to customize the chart's appearance. Titles and labels. Add clear titles for the chart and its axes. Legends. Control the position and visibility of legends. Colors. While not as granular as dedicated BI tools, you can often customize series colors to align with your branding or highlight specific data points. Data labels. Display the actual values on the chart bars or slices. Interaction. You can configure the chart widget to open the source sheet or report when clicked, providing users with the option to drill down into the underlying data. Key considerations for project managers. As a project manager leveraging Smartsheet for charting, keep these points in mind. Data preparation is key. Smartsheet charts plot the data as it appears in your sheet or report. This means you often need to summarize or aggregate your data using formulas before you chart it. For example, if you want a chart showing the count of tasks by status, you might need a helper column or a report with grouping and summary functions to count the occurrences of each status. Leverage reports for aggregation. For complex projects or portfolio dashboards, reports are your best friend. They allow you to pull relevant data from multiple sheets and apply filters and grouping/summary functions, providing the consolidated data needed for meaningful charts. Focus on key metrics. Don't overload your dashboards with too many charts. Identify the critical KPIs, key performance indicators, for your project or portfolio and create charts that effectively visualize those metrics. Examples include task status breakdown, pie chart showing % complete, in progress, blocked, not started, budget burn rate, line chart showing actual spend versus planned budget over time, resource allocation, bar chart showing workload per team member, issue trends, line chart tracking the number of open versus closed issues, dashboards for different audiences. You can create multiple dashboards tailored to different audiences. An executive dashboard might show high-level project health and financials, while a team dashboard might focus on task progress and resource workload. Each dashboard can have its own set of relevant charts. Real-time updates. One of the most significant advantages is that Smartsheet charts are dynamic. As soon as the underlying data in your sheets or reports changes, the charts on your dashboard update in real time, providing always current insights. AI-powered chart creation, Work Insights Smartsheet is continually evolving its capabilities. More recent additions include Work Insights and AI tools that can automatically analyze your sheet data and suggest or even generate charts based on natural language prompts. This can significantly speed up the initial chart creation process. Beyond native charts, integrations. While Smartsheet's native charting capabilities are powerful for many project management needs, some organizations require even more sophisticated data analysis and visualization. In such cases, Smartsheet offers integrations. Live Data Connector. Smartsheet provides connectors, e.g., ODBC drivers, that allow you to pull live data from Smartsheet into dedicated BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, or ClickSense. This empowers you to create highly complex and interactive dashboards that go beyond Smartsheet's native charting options. Excel. You can also export data to Excel for more advanced charting if preferred.